To use the television in the lounge at Harborne House, you need to use the remote control shown. You turn the television on by pressing the power button. The television has got Sky built in. You can use the remote control to scroll down to TV guide, press OK. You can scroll through the different categories, press OK for all channels. You can then scroll down through the channels, press OK to select what you'd like to watch, and you will see a small preview on the right hand side. To enlarge the picture, press OK again. If you'd like to go back to the home menu, you can use this button on the remote control. This will allow you to scroll back down to the TV guide. Alternatively, you can keep going down until you see Netflix, scroll across and press OK. This will then have Netflix already signed in for you to watch whichever show you would prefer. To turn the television off, you simply press the power button again and the TV will be off.